Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce some places in the city. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet, or you're new to our channel, please smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these places in English today. Please give it a try. Post office, post office, post office. Drugstore, drugstore, drugstore. Gas station, gas station, gas station. Department store, department store, department store. Bank, bank, bank. Bookstore, bookstore, bookstore. Coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. Electronic store, electronic store, electronic store. Convenience store, convenience store, convenience store. Restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Hardware store, hardware store, hardware store. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. This is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.